Hello everyone, welcome back to CAD-CAM. So today tutorial we are going to make thumb bolt in SolidWorks. Help of 2D drawing. Here is the drawing. You can download this drawing from my blog page, link in description box. So please check out. So let's create a sketch. So we'll select front plane, sketch. Then select the circle here. So this die will keep 15 mm. Okay. Then extrude up to 7 mm. 7. Okay. Now select this face, sketch, and draw one more circle here. With dia 10 mm. Then okay, then go to feature, select extrude boss base, and this time extrude up to 3 mm. Okay. Now again select this face, sketch, and select here polygon, parameter 6, and draw one polygon here. So this die will keep 8 mm. Okay. Okay. Then select extrude boss base and extrude up to 20 mm. Okay. Now select this face, sketch, and draw one circle this side with dia 4 mm. Okay. Then extrude up to 5 mm. Okay. So our body is ready. Now select this face, chamfer 0.5. Okay. Now we will cut thread here. So select your thread and starting point we will select here, and that ending condition select this body, select your offset 2 mm and reverse direction, metric die M4 thread. Okay. Okay. Now select this face. Sorry, now select this face and select here chamfer 1 mm, and this side also 1 mm. Okay. Now select this face, sketch, and make it normal. Now select your polygon, and this time parameter will keep 3, and draw one polygon here. Okay. Select this line, make horizontal, and this point press Ctrl, and this point make vertical. Okay. So here to here will make 7.17. Okay. And length, okay, 0.5. Okay. Now select your extrude cut and 7 mm. Okay. Now we will use a circular pattern to apply this feature all over the body. So select here extrude cut and select here circular pattern, and here the direction we have to select the body. So we'll select this side like this. Pattern will keep 100. Okay. Now just select this face, sketch, and make it normal. So select a center rectangle. Now we will cut slot for screwdriver. Okay. So width, select the width. So width will keep 2.5. Okay. Then select your extrude cut, and we'll make cut up to 2.5 mm. Okay. Now select this circle and select here chamfer. Take 0.25. Okay, and select this face and fillet 0.50. Okay, so now our bolt is ready. Let's define the material. Okay, so our thumb bolt is ready. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel for more video. And this 3D model 2D drawing you will find on my blog, so please check out, link in description box. Thanks for watching.